In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not letting me edit. First, let's begin by checking if the design is locked. This is a crucial step because a locked design prevents any changes and you won't be able to edit your work. On your screen, look at the design you are working on. You may notice that some elements or the entire design feels unresponsive. This is often the case if a lock is in place. By ensuring the design is not locked, you open the door to making those essential edits. Once that is done, click the object you cannot edit. This action is straightforward but crucial. By selecting the specific object, you will bring it into focus, which is important for the next steps. Pay attention to the top toolbar after clicking. The toolbar provides vital information and options that relate to the selected object. You want to ensure you are targeting the right part of your design for unlocking. This sets you up for success in the following steps. Now look for a lock icon at the top toolbar. This icon usually resembles a small padlock. It is essential to locate this lock because it indicates whether the object is locked or unlocked. If you see the lock icon, it means the object is currently secured, and that's why you cannot make any edits. Identifying this icon is a key part of troubleshooting your editing issues. Remember, being aware of the lock status can save you a lot of time and frustration later. Next up, click the lock to unlock it. When you click on this icon, it should change state, indicating that the object is now unlocked. This is the moment where you take control of your design again. After clicking, you may notice a visual change in the icon or hear a click sound. This is reassuring as it confirms that your action was successful. It's vital to take this step seriously, as unlocking the object is what allows you to proceed with your edits. After that, try editing again. You should now be able to make changes to the object without any issues. This is the final step in your process of gaining access to your design. If all goes well, you will be able to change text, move elements, or adjust colors as needed. This is important because it allows you to express your creativity and finalize your design. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to revisit the previous steps to ensure everything was done correctly. In summary, always begin by checking if the design is locked. This simple check can resolve many editing issues. Remember to select the object you want to edit and look for the lock icon in the toolbar. Clicking it to unlock the object is a straightforward process that leads to creative freedom once again. Finally, trying to edit after unlocking should allow you to proceed seamlessly. If you follow these steps, you'll be back to designing in no time. Thank you for watching and happy designing.